Hello guys, welcome to another video on Elite Expertise. So Elite Expertise is a platform that helps all the overseas pharmacists to clear their licensing examinations. And my name is Arif Mohammed, and I'm one of the directors and lecturers at Elite Expertise. And I'm working as a clinical pharmacist at Northern Health Hospital in Melbourne. And I'm so glad to announce that we got the November batch CAPS examination results. And this time again, once again, Elite Expertise has got a massive success rate of 94%. So total 99 students passed their CAPS examination. And I'm so happy today that I have Vani with me, Vani Priyanka. So she is one of our students at Elite Expertise, and she has cleared her CAPS examination in her first attempt. So let's know more from Vani, like how many months she prepared and what strategy she followed in clearing her examination. Okay. So first of all, welcome Vani and
Thank
congratulations.
you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, how do you feel?
Oh, very great, sir. Thank you. It's been like 12 years of gap after I
Okay,
finished my B Farm,
BPharm. Okay.
and I never thought I would do this. I was always scared of just giving the exam, but when I just got into Elite Expertise, then I was very much confident.
Confident.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So anyhow,
Yeah.
it's your hard work. Because of your hard work, you got your success. And Vani,
Thank
may I
you, sir.
know, from where did you study it and so on, please?
Sure. Yes, so I finished my B Farm from
Yeah.
Sri Ramchandra University, Chennai, and I did my M Farm in Quality Assurance in the same college.
Okay.
And then after that, I worked for 2 years in pharmaceutical industry in Orchid Pharmaceuticals as a research analyst. And then I've married and came to Australia.
Okay.
And after coming there, I had a baby and I just took like 2 to 3 years of gap.
Okay.
And then I've just worked as a pharmacy assistant. I used to do compounding.
Mm.
And after that, I used to do both compounding and as a pharmacy assistant.
Pharmacy
So
assistant.
after that, I thought this is not my
Exactly.
place.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I
So we
want
need
to,
to
yeah,
move on.
after seeing yeah, after seeing all the opportunities in Australia, then I thought, why I'm just getting fear for just one exam? Just give me I thought I'll just give a try.
Right.
And then I came to know Elite Expertise through
Yeah.
a friend,
Okay.
and then just contacted you guys. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
Vani, may I know, like, how long have you prepared and what strategies that you have followed in clearing your CAPS
Yes.
examination?
Yes. I've just studied for about 4 months.
Oh, okay.
Initially, I used to r- listen to all the lectures and prepare my own notes.
Okay.
Mostly, I used to prepare all the notes in handouts. So I thought the handouts would be easy to refer
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
before exam. And initially, for 1 or 2 months, I used to work and study. Later, I just took 2 or 3 months leave.
Leave.
Like I took a gap. Yeah. And I used to study initially for 3 hours or so. And
Okay.
later on, I used to study for 4, 6.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
like last month, I used to study for 8 hours.
8 hours. Yeah.
Yeah.
So finally, you cleared your examination. Okay. So we are so happy
Yes.
for you. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Vani, like, may I know how strongly do you recommend Elite Expertise to your friends and
Yes, yes, definitely. 200% I would recommend Elite Expertise because the way you teach us and the way you guide us is really, I can't express that in words
okay.
because all your mocks and all are like really helpful.
Yeah.
Um, During the exam, when I sit in exam, I used to recall all those. It's only because of you guys, how you teach.
Okay.
And it's really fascinating. Yes.
Thank you so much. So we mainly
Thank you, sir.
believe in teaching the concepts. So if the concepts
Of
are
course,
good,
yes.
okay. So right from the beginning, from all the lectures, like we mainly focus mainly on teaching the concepts, because if the
Yes, sir.
concepts are good, then students definitely
Yes.
they will clear the examination. So it
Yes.
doesn't matter like however the examiners they try to twist in the exam in the
Yes.
questions. If you have the concepts, if all the students, if they have the well concepts, then definitely they will answer the question.
Right.
Okay? They will crack
Yes,
them.
yes, sir. The concepts are really clear when you teach us, especially the cardiovascular system and the ANS. I love those. I never
Okay.
thought those concepts are really easy until you
Yeah, yeah.
taught us in that way.
Okay.
I always used to get scared of those, but and even the chemistry was.
Chemistry.
I,
Okay.
yes, I never thought I would do that with the medicinal chemistry and all. But
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
my God, it's so blissful to be there in your platform. Yeah.
Thanks, Mani. Thank you so much. And
Thank
any
you.
message to future CAPS aspirants?
Yes. So all the future aspirants, I would strongly recommend Elite Expertise because the way they teach, it doesn't matter only with the exam, but in the future and all in the real life also, they're very helpful. So I would definitely recommend Elite Expertise and all the best for all your future. Thank you.
Thanks, Fani. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Fani. Thank you.